Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can share your meeting or event on Doodle to invite participants to it. So let us dive into this. Start by navigating to dashboard on Doodle, then click into see all doodles here and click into the given doodle you would like to go with, right? So let me go to the example meeting here. So there are two ways how you can do this, guys. You either use that invitation link here in the top right corner by clicking into this button and using it from your clipboard to invite users to the given meeting. Make sure that the given link is not disabled here, right, from that menu. Option number two, you click into share here, and you may, for example, add or embed the link on your website, or invite via WhatsApp, as you can see. And that's the second option you can use, right? So if you're on WhatsApp, for example, you would then get redirected to that to your account on WhatsApp and choose the contact you would like to invite or several contacts, and Doodle will then have that invitational text you can send to your participants, right? So that's option number two, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.